Thomas Vincent Girardi is the attorney and founding partner of Girardi & Keese. It was recently announced that he will be the recipient of the International Law Hero Award for 2020 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his selflessness, integrity, determination, and virtuosity. Being selected for this distinction by the International Association of Top Professionals is a renowned honor. Only one member is chosen from the legal industry. These special honorees are distinguished based on their longevity in their fields, the contributions they have made to society, the impact they've had on their industries, and the admirable qualities that make Mr. Girardi deserving of this title. This year, Mr. Girardi will be accepting his award on stage at the magnificent Plaza Hotel in New York City, while in attendance of IAOTP's 2020 Annual Awards Gala. Mr. Girardi will also be recognized at the Annual Awards Gala as IAOTP's Top Legal Expert of the Year and for the International Legendary Lawyer Award. Having over 50 years of successful service as a practicing trial attorney, he leaves an unforgettable impact on today's legal world. Mr. Girardi is regarded by his peers as one of the nation's top trial lawyers of all time. Widely known from being the trial lawyer which inspired the Aaron Brockovich movie, Mr. Girardi has also defeated pharmaceutical giants Merck, Vioxx, the Los Angeles Dodgers, just to name a few. He has obtained more than 30 verdicts of $1 million or more and has handled more than 100 settlements of $1 million or more. He has tried more than 100 jury cases, winning the first California medical malpractice verdict of $1 million or more back in the 1970s, and he has also had a few billion-dollar settlements. His areas of practice include wrongful death, commercial litigation, products liability, bad faith insurance, and toxic torts. Mr. Girardi attended Loyola Law School and graduated in 1964. He then enrolled in a master's program at NYU, receiving his LLM in 1965. In addition to running the firm, he has also been an associate professor at Loyola Law School from 1976 to the present, and was recipient of the Distinguished Alumnus Award in 1997 and in 2005, named Champion of Justice from the law school. At Loyola Law School, Mr. Girardi also backed the construction of the Albert H. Girardi Advocacy Center, which is named in his father's honor. Throughout his illustrious career, Thomas Vincent Girardi has been active in his community, received numerous awards, accolades, and recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal profession. He has been featured in numerous publications and magazines, and graced the front cover of the first international edition of TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, which was distributed to thousands of the most prestigious professionals around the world. In 2003, he received the most prestigious honor of being inducted into the Trial Lawyer Hall of Fame by the California State Bar. Mr. Girardi is also the first trial lawyer to be appointed to the California Judicial Council, the policy-making body of the state courts. From 2006 to the present, Mr. Girardi is a radio show host called Champions of Justice on KRLA 870 AM in Southern California, which is a radio show that discusses relevant legal issues facing Americans today. He just recently received the Gold Award for Best Radio Show in the nation. He has been featured in Law Dragon Magazine, Los Angeles Daily Journal, the National Law Journal, ICE Magazine, Texas Bar Journal, California Law Business, and New Times Los Angeles, just to name a few. Mr. Girardi is a member of the Board of Directors and former president of the prestigious International Academy of Trial Lawyers, an invitation-only worldwide organization limited to 500 trial lawyers. He is president of the Litigation Council of America, member of the Inner Circle of Advocates, American Board of Professional Liability Lawyers, Consumer Attorneys of California, and the International Society of Barristers. He has an AV preeminent rating with Martindale-Hubbell and has been selected as Top Attorney of the Year, Top Attorney of the Month, Super Lawyers, Best Lawyers in America, Top 100 Lawyers in California, Trial Lawyers of the Year with many organizations for multiple years in a row. Stephanie Sarami, president of IAOTP, states that Choosing Mr. Girardi as our International Law Hero Award was an effortless decision for our panel to make. His consistent display of moral integrity throughout his entire legal career is what makes him so admirable. Mr. Girardi is a heroic figure to both his clientele and amongst his colleagues. His achievements prove his bravery, humility, and perseverance. IAOTP will continue to award Mr. Girardi for his heroic nature and as a thriving law professional. We are looking forward to commemorating him at our 2020 Annual Awards Gala in December. Aside from his successful legal career, Mr. Girardi has been appointed many titles and received numerous distinctions for his knowledge and experience as a trial attorney in the law arena. In 2017, he was named Man of the Year and was presented the Citizen of the Year Award by the International Association of Top Professionals. Mr. Girardi is continuously featured on the famous Reuters building in Times Square all throughout the year. For 2018, he was chosen as Lawyer of the Decade by IAOTP and named California Consumer Trial Attorney of the Year. In 2019, he was selected as Business Innovator of the Year, Top Attorney of the Year, and Top National Consumer Trial Attorney of the Year by the International Association of Top Professionals. Mr. Girardi has been featured 4 times in the Wall Street Journal on a full page. He was inducted into IAOTP's Hall of Fame, is the recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award, and now, for 2020, named Top Legal Expert of the Year and International Legendary Lawyer by IAOTP. Mr. Girardi is a trustee for the Library of Congress, and over the years, he had a collection of some of the most famous court case drawings which he donated to the library, which led to the creation of the Drawing Justice exhibit. The exhibit was such a hit that the library decided to create a book for it and make it a traveling exhibit. Looking back, Mr. Girardi attributes his success to his experience, mentors he has had along the way, and staying true to his work hard, live large work ethic. Mr. Girardi says he has been blessed. He loves doing what he is doing and feels this is just the beginning. For the future, Mr. Girardi will continue to work hard, serve and fight for his personal injury and wrongful death victims, in helping them receive the compensation for their injuries, and he will continue to seek justice and make a difference in people's lives any way that he can. For more information, please visit www.thomasvgirardi.com and www.girardikeys.com.